Hello everybody, it is I, your favorite green Namekian here. And today we're back with Xenoverse 2. Parallel quests. Yeah! So, let's do this. So we cleared all of that. So I guess we're on this one. So, we are the Saiyan King is who? Defeat Nappa. Alright, so we can get Chaozu's hat with collar. Ooh. Plot. I am the king of the Saiyans. Do not worry about Vegeta. It's King Nappa who needs to be taking it down a notch. Wait, what? Alright. Alright. So, who are we gonna pick? We are obviously gonna pick... Wait, what? I have two presets? What, Why do I have two presets? Okay. Alright, so... Who are we gonna pick today? Let's see here. How about... I don't know, Raditz.
This should be good.
Yeah, it should be good. And, let's take me. Alright. Alright, let's go.
Sure you don't get in my way.
Kill the Cyberman.
That annoying attitude. If you think I'm babysitting you forever,
Yeah, come on.
I've got another thing.
Get him. Yeah. Come on.
I'm the next Prince of Saiyans.
But, wait, what do you mean the next Prince of Saiyans?
But I had no idea your head was completely empty.
But you weren't born into royalty, Nappa. How can you be a prince if you're not born into royalty?
10 seconds. Don't assume I'm the same Raditz you knew. What?
Wait, where's that, Nappa? Oh.
Fun has just begun, pipsqueak.
Wait, I'm not a pipsqueak. You're the pipsqueak. Okay, Cyberman down. Let's go. Oh, well, we opened up the thing. Alright, let's go. That way, actually. So, we actually hit 5K, everybody. I did a real-life voice reveal. So now you know what I sound like. It's great. So yeah, I hope you all watched that video. It's pretty great. It's great. Yeah. I might link that down in the description below or something. Hey look, there's me. Hold up.
I've had enough.
Hi, me. Right, yes.
Vegeta!
Alright.
You'll soon regret underestimating.
Come on, Nappa.
Then hurry up and come at me.
Yeah.
No need to hold back.
God damn it, Nappa.
I'll show you who's
Really, Nappa? Are you serious? Oh wait, there's Raditz. Yeah. Oh, come on.
Don't get yourself too excited landing a blow on me.
Oh yeah, I forgot we have these things. Yeah, fuck off.
This has got to be a joke. I'm being pressured.
Pressured? What? I don't know what that means. Yeah. Wait, what? What the fuck? Okay, Raditz, could you not? There we go.
Damn it!
Jesus, Raditz. Holy crap, look at... Yeah, we rolling up in the club. We got Piccolo, Vegeta, and Raditz. And Piccolo. Back to the mountain. It feels like Nappa is not, being very nice. Okay, there we go. We gotta go over there. Alright, is there anyone else? No. Alright. Back over here, because Nappa sucks. Yeah, he sucks. He sucks. A great big deal of dick. Yeah! I wonder. Alright. Wait, Turles? What do you mean? What are you doing down here, Turles? Wait, hold up. There's a person down here, it's Tien. Hey Tien, what's good? Sure. Alright, how about a little bit of this, Tien? Or Turles. Whatever. You're not canon, so you don't matter to me. Yeah.
Sorry. This just isn't worth dying over. I'm out of here.
What in the fuck? God damn it, Nappa and Turdles. Jesus, these guys are just giving us a run for our money. They're just running around willy-nilly. I'm not liking it a lot. Okay, now we gotta go over there again. Nappa really needs to cool his cakes, cause this is just getting ridiculous. We have 3 Piccolos. Again. Okay, so now we're in a crystal cave kind of thing. Okay. Alright, Nappa.
You! I won't let you get away with this!
Hello? Fuck you, Nappa. Come on. Eat my shiny arm. Shiny arm? I meant my, Yeah! Kicked his ass. Alright, let's just charge up. We don't have much things. Okay, Nappa. What are you doing now? Are you gonna turn into a great ape? No, you're just gonna run away. Oh my god. Come on, Nappa. What the hell's going on here, man?
It was fun, boys, but it's time to bring out the big guns.
Oh, look, it's a giant monkey. Okay. Oh, shit. Come on, Nappa. Stop being a bitch. Oh, wait. That was a grenade. Hopefully this will work. Fuck you, Nappa. You suck. We did it. That rock looks like a pile of poop over there. Maybe Nappa pooped. Hashtag giant monkey poop in the comments. Thank you very much.
This power.
Ooh, we got Chatsu's hat with collar. Well, look at that. Oh, it looks like Guru's house is being attacked. So let's we'll see you guys there. Alright, now, and we're back. So what is it, Neil? They're attacking again. At any glance, he may look like a slender being, but his powers are far beyond those of your average warrior. We have no idea what kind of tricks this next foe is capable of. Be on your guard at all times. Right, let's do this. They've come for the Dragon Balls. We need to collect them. Yeah. Oh, okay. So it's Zarbon, that guy, and that other guy that nobody gives a shit about. Alright, Defend Planet Namek, Part 3. Alright. Okay, Zarbon. No. See, no, Zarbon, you need to cool your clocks. Of course, Nail. Why? Of course I'm gonna do that for you. Special beam cannon, his face. Wait, what? Did I even hit? Nope, you're done. Oh wait, shit. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. Shit. I have no. I forgot. I'm used to playing high-level characters with a lot of ki. So, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, damn. Damn, Zarby Poo. Come on. Wow, he broke my stamina. Okay. I forgot I have, like, hardly any health.
Dragon Balls. If you don't tell me, I'll twist that face of yours into a pencil.
Zarbon. Look at me, I'm Zarbon. Oh, okay.
Please hang in there. I can't do anything to help. Forgive me.
Just, yeah. Light grenade. Nope. Okay. Oh. He's a strong foe. Okay. Oh. Okay. Nope. Okay. That was a catastrophic failure.
Let's try again next time, yes?
Sure thing, Guru. Let's try it again. Be right back. Alright, so defend planet Namek retrieval. So apparently, if you fail, you have to fight Frieza and his goons and his ship. And you have to get all the 7 Dragon Balls. Well, fuck. So let's get rid of Raditz here. That's just damn fam.
Get out of here! Great! I could use a workout.
So this is gonna be an interesting episode. Come on, Raditz. You're weak as shit. You're like a... You're done. I really should perfect block a little bit better. Alright, so there's that. There's Nappa.
Captain Ginyu of the Ginyu Force! Marvel at me! It's time to play!
Shut the fuck up, Ginyu. No one gives a shit. Okay, Nappa. So yeah. I didn't realize that if you failed them, you actually had to retrieve the Dragon Balls back. Yeah, let's just... Okay, let's maximum charge. New enemy.
Attention.
Oh great, Ginyu and Frieza.
We're taking over.
So, yeah, okay. So wait, where do we... So wait, where do we, So wait, where do we activate the, So I guess we bring him over here? Oh, right here. That makes sense. We shouldn't really be messing with Frieza. Because, well, at our level, you know. Okay. That was a yum. Okay, I think I can take Frieza. But Nail, you are definitely gonna need to pull some fucking weight. Wow, you dodged right into that. Okay. Frieza, I'm gonna teach you a little thing about dodging. And you know, perfect blocking, you know, that bullshit. Yeah. Okay, Frieza, you know, if I'm not doing anything, you kinda have to attack me. You know. Come on, Frieza. You can do better than that. Come on. There we go. So that's Frieza down. Alright, so let's try and collect these Dragon Balls quickly before Ginyu decides to be a nuisance. Alright, so we need 3 more. Alright, there's that one. Okay. Oh, Ginyu has one. Okay. Come on, Ginyu. Special Beam Cannon! Fuck you.
I'll wipe out every last
Oh yes, zombie poo. Oh yes. Zarbon. See, I can do a Zarbon impression as well. But so Ginyu needs to like fuck off and die in a hole. Alright. Right, I forgot that. Nope. Throw him out. Throw his little puny ass away. Yeah, get that. Fam. Fam? Yeah, right, whatever. Alright, let's quickly get this Alright, maybe we can sneak past Zarbon and hopefully get the other Dragon Ball. And then that should be the end of that. Wait, where the frick is it? I think it's in a room somewhere. Alright, so it's shit. Oh, shit, okay. Didn't realize that door opened. Alright, let's hurry up and get the fuck out of here, Ale. You know. Stop sucking Zarbon's dick. And we're done. Yeah.
Superb.
Yes, superb.
Look forward to next time.
Thank God. Now, hopefully we don't have to do another one. You happy now, Nail? Excellent. We managed to get the Dragon Balls back, but don't let your guard down just yet. They're bound to retaliate. They'll try and take the Dragon Balls again, so one day too, make sure you're ready for them. Nice! So, I think we'll leave it that as a part. So, what's the... No, that's not the button. What's the button? That's the button. So, thank you very much for watching, everybody. Special beam cannon that like button. Do not dodge that subscribe button. And keep on training, everybody. So I'll see you all later in the next video. Ta-ta.